treaties, and I can name the 6 ancient treaties, but we could, you know what I mean, we'll do that another time. But there were 6 ancient treaties that united all the tribal families on the planet. All these planets did trade in places like the Isle of Man, which is a small island off of Europe. You know what I mean? Off of England, pardon me. So we're dealing with ancient indigenous cultures that migrated via navigation of boats and ships. Now, we didn't need giant boats because if you're familiar with the Filipino islands, you know you can island hop in canoes. You can get from Africa to the furthest island in the Filipinos because they're so close, you can island hop. Well, you can island hop from Europe to the Americas via Greenland and the islands that are in between that the map don't show you. All right? So when they talk about the Bering Strait, those were the Asiatics that came over here at another time. The actual migration that our people took to come here from places like the Middle East, Kemet, Africa, East Africa, came through what we call Europe, Greenland, England, things of that nature. Now, anybody who wants to question this information, all you have to do is look up a group called the Micmac. The Micmac are located in Canada on down to what we call Maine, right? The Micmac have a hieroglyphic script. And within that hieroglyphic script, they also have the Lord's Prayer. So we're dealing with Christians, right? The early Christians, who are not the Christians that we sit up here and fight with. The early Christians were people from the land that we call Kemet. They're called the Coptics. Greek is not a language. Greeks speak Coptic, right? So when we say they spoke Greek, people don't know what they're talking about and they're misleading you. There's no such thing as Greek. These people were Coptic.